has had its sort of problems and has not quite worked is clear from even Mr. Digvijay Singh talking about it. So if Digvijay Singh can talk about it, surely Narendra Modi can talk about it and use this to criticize his natural rival, the Congress, and posit a strong BJP leader, perhaps himself, as a natural sort of counterweight to this confused UPA system as he sees it. Now, coming back to Mamata, there's one thing I wanted to add. To me, Mamata Banerjee is for Modi an enemy's enemy. She is not necessarily a friend. I can't really see an alliance, a direct alliance, pre-election or post-election. Modi was attacking the Congress today as his natural rival. He was also attacking the left as an ideological or philosophical rival in national politics. And that is what it really is.
No, Ashok Malik, the question is very simple. Narendra Modi is repeatedly raising the leadership issue. Now, when he raises the leadership issue, in your view, is he doing it with some planning or strategic intent in mind? Narendra Modi making 5 or 6 highly televised, very public speeches on a range of national issues, speaking on governance and government in one place, speaking on women and the country in another place, speaking about uprooting the Congress in another place, speaking about Mamata Banerjee, speaking about the national picture. He's positioning himself, Ashok Malik. Are you in any doubt anymore that he's making it difficult for the BJP not to name him as the Prime Ministerial candidate?
He's positioning himself as a strong, decisive leader and possibly a Prime Minister. What's wrong with that? That's clear as crystal.
No, so he's positioned. So is Sushma Swaraj doing the same thing? Is Arun Jaitley doing the same thing?
Sushma Swaraj?
I'm asking you for your impression.
No, they're not. Because I think the BJP recognize. Look, he is the only chief minister who's in the BJP parliamentary board. I think somewhere the BJP recognizes he is their best card. A couple of people in the BJP may not recognize that, but broadly the BJP is coming around to the view that he is their best card. They may be wrong, they may be right, but they are coming around to that view. That's clear as day.
So what would you say to the Congress leader today? Prepare yourself for the inevitability.
What you're talking about. That's clear as day.
No, what would you say to the Congress leader Abid Rasool Khan from Hyderabad today?
Arnab.
You know, and all those people who say that Narendra Modi will bring doom to the BJP. What would you say to them, Ashok Malik?
Look, Narendra Modi represents a gamble for the BJP. Okay, now, if Narendra Modi is your candidate, you are not going to get too many pre-election allies, right?
Yeah.
Fair enough. But the gamble is that perhaps he will get an incremental vote beyond what the BJP's current numbers are. And that is a fair, legitimate gamble for the BJP to take if it indeed it's moving towards taking that.
That's the point.
Abid Rasool Khan is taking.
Live with the fact. You may not like it. Accept the reality, Abid Rasool Khan. Accept the reality. The same Narendra Modi who was till recently fighting shy of making overtly political statements is back in his elements. I want to ask you today, what's your counter? Rahul Gandhi? Is Rahul Gandhi your counter?
No, Arnab, Rahul Gandhi is not the counter. The whole Congress party is a counter. The whole Congress party works in tandem. The whole Congress party works together. There is
no, you accept that Rahul Gandhi is not the counter.
To and Modi and we are really not worried about him. If the question Arnab, the question what he has put saying that ask 100 congressmen, I would like to counter that question and say ask 100 BJP men who is the self-thrust Prime Minister candidate on their party, and they will say that this is the gentleman who is thrusting himself onto the party. We have no problem on that. Let him thrust himself. We have enough leaders in our party to talk about ourselves and win the elections. The point here is that he is trying to thrust himself on a party which is not going to accept him. The party itself is not accepting him. The party itself is shattering and breaking up. The party itself, allies are breaking up. At this stage, the gamble, what Mr. Malik said, is going to prove very costly to the BJP, and we have no problems with it. Let them go ahead with it. We are ready to face him at any stage.
You see, Mr. Abid Rasool Khan, I'm asking you directly. Mr. Abid Rasool Khan. You ask, 1 second. You see, this is a cliche. Not one person, all of us will fight him. The fact is, look at what Narendra Modi is saying. Piyush Goyal, he says the Prime Minister's office begins tweeting against me even before I finish my speech. That's what he said today.
No. That is what he imagines. That is what he imagines. That is not what is happening. It is what his imagination is. And he has, after 9 years of successful rule of Manmohan Singh, he is trying to malign him. is trying to show him as a weak candidate. But the Congress works in tandem with the
But what you're
UPA
doing is
and
complaining.
the
I'm asking you, what is your
No issue in
response
that.
beyond complaining? You are just complaining. And you are also accepted right now that Rahul Gandhi is not your counter. Piyush Goyal, your response.
No,
Piyush
I have
Goyal's
never said
response
that.
to-
Arnab,
I have
the
never
fact
said that.
of
I
life
said the
is-
party itself works for it. I never said that.
You said
I
that.
have said the party works as a unit.
You said Rahul Gandhi is not our counter. You said
No,
Rahul
I
Gandhi
said
is
the
not our
party works
counter.
as a unit. I never said that. I said the party works as a unit.
Sir, I can
And
pull
the
back the
whole party
tape. You
works
said
as a
that.
unit. He is our leader.
You're
And the
correcting
leader
yourself
leads the
now, but
party.
you did
Yeah,
say
we
that.
have seen the
No,
comments of
absolutely.
Digvijay saying
You can
Janardhan
rewind and
Trivedi
check it out. I never said that. What I said, the party works as a unit,
Yeah,
Arnab. You are trying to
Arnab.
put words into my mouth.
I would never do that. Piyush Goyal.
Okay. Arnab, see, the fact of life is Ashokji seems to have misinterpreted this as a gamble. I personally don't think there is any gamble. The Bharatiya Janata Party is a cadre-based party. We have our cadres all across the country. We have leaders who emerge from the cadres, unlike a dynastic rule or a family.
You have
in
leaders
many
who
other
are having
parties
criminal
which just
cases
take
against them in your new executive. You have Amit Shah, you have Uma
Well, I think I
Bharati,
allowed this
you have,
gentleman to
Gadkari.
speak,
They are
Arnab,
all
in all
tainted
fairness.
cases, Mr. Goyal. What
He
are you talking?
may
They
be
are all
advised
tainted
to
in
start
cases.
listening sometimes.
Mr. Khan, listen to
Because
him.
in desperation, some people don't allow other people
I
to
need
talk.
to come back and tell you, where is the cadre? Your cadre.
Yeah, you're free to talk when your turn
Mr.
comes, gentlemen.
Mr. Khan, allow the BJP.
Don't get desperate.
Allow the BJP
I know
leader
you
to
are in a
speak, please.
corner, but
Piyush
don't
Goyal,
get
continue.
desperate.
in the RSS, he
No,
left.
absolutely
Continue,
no.
Piyush
I-
Goyal's
I-
turn.
I-
As the
I-
things
Hyderabad,
stand,
the
it is
central part of
evident
India.
before
I'm
the
not in any
people of the
corner.
nation.
You are in a corner. You are in a corner, absolute corner. You are unable to say anything about it.
Mr. Khan, let him respond, please.
Thank you, gentlemen. As things stand, all parameters, economic parameters, the mood of the nation, the international reflection of the India story, all of that seems to show that we today stand at a crossroad where unless we set things right quickly, the country is headed for a very, very serious and deep crisis. Narendra Modi recognizes that, most economists recognize that, and it's very clear, the narrative is very clear. The country is looking for a development story. The country is looking for a leader, a decisive leader who can change this despondency and sense of gloom and doom that is prevailing in the nation. I do not think the BJP is doing any gamble. I think it is very clear that our leadership,
Well,
the
the
BJP
leader you're talking
leadership,
about has been
presents
denied
an
visa to enter
alternative
US.
which is
The Goa,
proven.
the leader you're
The
talking
track
about
record is
gets
there.
congressmen
They
to
have
come
brought
and write a
welfare to the
payment and
people.
talk about
They have
him.
brought
So why not
development.
Advani?
And they
No, no,
have,
let
they have
me
a
ask you.
roadmap and an
Piyush Goyal.
agenda
Are you talking about?
which will turn the India
No, no,
story
Piyush has
into
a
one
question.
of prosperity.
Piyush-
I think all the other
We have
parties
to
are
hang our
scared of
heads in
Mr.
shame.
Modi
You're talking
and
about
the
a leader who
BJP
is being denied
leadership.
a visa.
They are
I-
out to try and
I
divert
find it-
issues
I
from
find it
development
incredibly-
and raise
I-
the
I
ghosts
find
of
it-
2002
I find
which
it-
today don't exist at all.
I find
so
it
I think
fascinating.
let's get down to the
Absolutely,
development
absolutely
agenda.
wrong, Goyal
Modi
sir.
has
Mr.
spoken
Mr.
today
Goyal,
Your
please.
leader
and
you're
as he
trying
has
to
done in the
project
last
has
few days
UN cases.
of
I understand he has a
development.
warrant
Let's bring
also
that
in
to the forefront
UN.
and let everybody
And this
fight
is the
on
leader you're trying
development
to
agenda.
project, a leader who is involved in, who has at his hand been involved in a massive riots. And till now he doesn't admit that, and you are talking
That's-
of him to lead a
Mr.
country.
Khan, may I
a
please
country
come in?
Of, so
Mr.
many
Khan,
religions,
with
a
great,
country of so much unity, a
Mr.
country
Khan,
of so
with
much
your
diversity.
permission, may I please come in, Mr. Khan? Thank you.
Sure.
Hartosh, I find it fascinating, Hartosh and Ashok Malik,
Yes.
that with every passing day, I get a sense that the BJP is moved one step closer towards naming Narendra Modi as their man for 2014. I mean, I find Piyush Goyal talking today, the way Piyush Goyal is expressing himself very clear, he's talking about Narendra Modi and not LK Advani, unless he wants to clarify right now.
And the BJP
Hartosh.
leadership, Arnab, you probably
Arnab.
missed that.
Yes, Hartosh.
Arnab, from now on till the elections, we will be focusing on one man, Narendra Modi. Not only is he the BJP's best hope, he is also the Congress's best hope. The entire Congress strategy is designed on an anti-Modi vote. They have nothing else to show for themselves. Both parties actually want to focus on the personality of Modi, and this is the campaign we are going to see and we will have to follow. It is a one-man campaign.
Ashok Malik, when will they announce Narendra Modi's name then?
You know, unfortunately, I don't control the BJP and I'm not party president, so I don't know the timetable. But whether he is declared candidate or otherwise, I think it's fairly obvious Narendra Modi will be the face of the BJP's campaign and not somebody else. Mr. Khan said that he's trying to thrust himself upon the party. Mr. Khan may know better. From my understanding of the party, I think if there is a primary or an election in the party, Modi will win hands down. Whether that is a correct decision, incorrect decision is a separate issue, but he is the most popular leader within the party. Now, when it comes to Modi's appeal, I think because of the situation the country finds itself in, especially economically in terms of the UPA's failures, and the UPA has failed in the past 3 or 4 years dramatically, the curiosity about Modi and Modi's appeal, I would say, actually outpaces the BJP's appeal. I would argue that today Modi is more popular than the BJP. And in a sense, Hartosh is right. This is going to be, as I see it, a Modi election. You're either with Modi or against Modi, and the Congress obviously will pitch for the anti-Modi vote. But Modi is becoming not just the hero or the protagonist of this election, but I would say the election will be built around him.
Well,
he
that's
may even, in a sense, become the issue of the election.
Yes, go ahead, Piyush Goyal. You want to clarify that the leader you were speaking about was either Sushma Swaraj or Lal Krishna Advani or somebody else? The decisive leader, in your words, who would do the development story, project the development story. Were you talking about Advani ji, by the way?
Arnab, as things stand, here we are discussing Narendra Modi's address in Kolkata, and the way the narrative is today before the people, I think they are looking for answers to their problems. They are fed up of this government at the center and its misgovernance and lack of governance. They are looking for concrete steps and measures to turn around the India story. I think they are not looking for somebody who says, look, I cannot provide any answers. I have no story to give you. I have no solutions to the problem. You are doomed to your fate, and I will only leave you with 1 billion people to decide your own fate. It's like I was joking the other day. We can't have an IPL match where 50,000 spectators will decide how the administration of the match will be done, who will clean the pitch, who will run the security mechanism there. You can't have 50,000 spectators do that. They ultimately decide on a leader and a team of people around him who run the whole show. Similarly,
you
the
made
BJP
your choice,
has
Piyush
to
Goyal.
offer a very
You
strong
made your choice,
round of,
Piyush Goyal.
a strong team of leaders.
You have, without attempting to read your mind, Piyush Goyal, without attempting to read your mind, I can safely conclude that you are speaking about Narendra Modi. And I find it fascinating now that the entire BJP leadership is more and more coming around to the view that Narendra Modi is the person for 2014.
Arnab,
maybe we should ask Rajnath Singh.
Arnab, you tell me how many other leaders other than Mr. Modi from any party across the country you showed repeatedly round the clock 24 hours repeat telecast because he's the only current coin in the country.
Well, as of now,
he's the only man who has given some hope to the aspirations of the people. So therefore you are also showing him. Now ultimately the people will decide.
Well, you don't decide, Mr.
Telecast will not make a leader, Mr. Goyal. You are so bankrupt, you have no policy, you are going to depend on telecast to make your leader. My God, what levels you have gone to.
Okay, you sit in your bedroom and make a leader. We will go to the people and make a leader.
You have to have
We will let the people decide who the leader is.
Ladies and gentlemen,
you can do it at your
Ashok
home.
Malik Hartosh, Abid Rasool Khan and Piyush Goyal, I hate to break up this banter, but I did not get an answer whether he was referring to Narendra Modi, Sushma Swaraj or Lal Krishna Advani, Arun Jaitley or anyone else, but I get a sense Piyush Goyal was talking about Narendra Modi. Gentlemen, thank you very much.